is specifically for the trolls who come in and say we're wasting water or wasting soap, but they don't know how to spell waste. This is going to be a potion for them so they can learn how to spell correctly. Dummy. I'm like, if you're going to insult me, spell it right, baby. Kelly's the best at talking shit. It's not a common talent to be great at like clapbacks and stuff, you know? Sass takes some well thought out thoughts. Thought out thoughts, clearly, which I also have well thought out thoughts. It's the Lulu hour in my brain. No, Kelly, I'm like literally the same. I always kind of giggle a little when everyone is like, oh my God, Ella's so nice. I'm like, oh my God, am I? Because I don't hear that a lot. Arthritis incoming. Yes, my once a day squeezing will give me arthritis, not my 10 hours a day typing. You really clocked me. Guys, am I ready to fight someone? I kind of feel like I am. I need to calm down. Hi, Kira. See, me and Kira were shooting for Sammy. Kira was number 1, while Kelly was a traitor. Brain dummy. I'm like, ugh. No, Kira slayed. Kira was number 1. I checked the leaderboards. It's so crazy how quickly you can spend money on coins in those battles. I was just clicking things and then after it was like, thank you for your $12 purchase. And I'm like, damn. Hi, Jasmine. Oh, there's Sammy. We were locked in. That was fun though. I'm like, can we make that a thing? Bi-weekly KT versus Sammy. Yesy. Yeah, Sammy, I was literally supposed to go live yesterday and I was like, Sammy's going live? Postponed. And I'm glad I did not miss that. Sometimes it's good for some healthy fun talking shit at each other, you know? Well, yes, see, you could order it and get it delivered to my house. Because I don't have any. Shake my tail. That's a start. You must shake your tail feather for approximately 10 minutes. I think I'm ready to be buying Tidy Bowl again. We just needed a little breakup. I just bought purple Tidy Bowl online. Another shorty like mine. Oh, I wish I could sing. If you're new here, make sure you're following. Thank you everyone who is. Thank you everyone who has. I'll have you know. I love Family Dollar. Thank you for the follows. This is like such a pretty blue. No, I live in London. Yes, I live in the US. All right, where the rinse girlies at? And boys, the girls, the gays, and the days, where y'all at? Rinse, rinse, rinse. She said, here, present.